It's a regional chairman for NPP for Ankasakura Kasase. NPP Abaino, Odi for Nye. Me pacho Buno Hafo, regional NPP chairman, me pacho Honorable Abronye. Me pacho Nwankasene Mutu. Or say NPP Amaino, na Amemone Nye.
Amamu Bear.
Me pacho NPP Amemo, me pacho.
A horror movie. Nanya horror movie. The horror movies are 8 years. Can you hear there? It's a running try.
Nessa's prophet.
And your mamu.
Yes, sir.
Nanya horror movie. And your rest are 8 years.
Hello, Abushafo. Menim say we dado mu nyina mo hoye. Me den chat ronko ebra mu nyina. Video we Prophet 1 Ebenezer Adakoyi Adom ye nyina yenim no. Ye nyina ya de Prophet 1. Ana all can say NPP 8 years na Nana Akuffo Addo ebelidi or my Ghana no. It was a horror movie. Or describe 8 years Akuffo Addo government and I say NPP rulership no say na a horror movie. And you know, what do you think? I think say I agree partly, not maybe 100%, but maybe to some part. I agree. I think say a horror movie. I am na NPP Eddie Omayano Akomono. Right now, I know nobody even wants to hear the name of President Akuffo Addo. Now, Mr. say, and then the first time I open my channel, you saw Bomodina, subscribe to my channel, mame. Like the video, no share, na drop your comment because I learn from you too. So when you comment and you speak your mind, it helps me to know what you think. I read all the comments. Comments among Pocho, I try to read them, whether good or bad, so that I'll be able to learn something. And Tibomodina subscribe to my channel, na like a video, na share, na if possible, hit the notification bell so that next time be me dropping new video on Sabeka alert. My name is Obayenti. I want to thank you in advance. Thank you very much.
You are president. Or say Ghana workers, or 2%
Me pacho 10%.
10%. President Elradi Shra.
Amen.
Sikani Futuanu. Papa, Udini Pam. Onyamishra. And Yebra John Dramani Mama.
Yes, sir.
President.
Original.
Oh. Original one.
Yes, sir.
What's what said there?
Only for pacho Ghana abaye my phone na. Me pacho wa pinyo obiya ketuem by 10%.
Sir?
Me pacho odi for. Oba ye no me pacho foto eda ho no hwe nim.
Ghana ni sika biada ho.
Pacho Ghana Akuffo Addo me pacho ne Bawumia ko no ka pre na ho.
Bank of Ghana phone is kada ho.
Odi for pacho mo sa boka kura to ho.
Ewo Bank of Ghana ho.
Ewo Bank of Ghana. Ye wura che so me pacho eye president. Ete so ansa na wo ko no. Me pacho Bank of Ghana enya mfaso. Emma ma pacho President Mahama at the Bank of Ghana mfaso no ebie hospital. Eye Bank of Ghana hospital e won krai.
Wo.
Pacho ho be sine.
No mo kata so sa no mo nkan.
E pacho
Bank of Ghana for me no san kan babo nte beka.
E ho be sine.
Fa so ba mo di bi kwesi hospital ma ye wo.
4 years.
It's my man carry. Yeah, campaign my team. When you say I'm going to babo muti. On so nyame so amana papa.
Yes.
About the hospital na fe mo so ni see.
It's a regional chairman for NPP for Ankasakura Kasase. NPP Abaino, Odi for Nye. Me pacho Buno Hafo, regional NPP chairman. Me pacho Honorable Abronye. Me pacho Nwankasene Mutu. Or say NPP Amaino, na Amemo Nye.
Amamu Bear.
Me pacho NPP Amemo, me pacho.
A horror movie. Nanya horror movie.
I heard it was 8 years.
The horror movies are 8 years. Can you hear there? It's a running try.
Nessa's prophet.
And your mamu. Now your horror movie. And your rest are 8 years.
Hey.
Your papa buying and say what? You have
2 months to 3 months here.
Or 2. Who are 4 more?
2 months here.
We are 4. Or who are more?
Oh.
Stop.
Father.
When you're meaning,
everybody won't sit down.
Oh,
everybody for some Ghana, you're hot talk.
Listen, me a radia shut up for me, my basso. Oh, whom from?
Oh,
what's my core? And you wouldn't be deep one.
You are the prophet of God.
When I'm dear, could do my 1 to 2 once, 1 year, you know, my home.
Oh,
now the image.
Oh, Pemu cancer woman.
Pemu cancer woman.
Akuma dane.
One year on 1 year we no mount. No more Ghana.
Chairman, the Senate as original chairman, and so much of your campaign.
The Sentinel Opambour Prophet.
God bless you, Prophet.
Now, we didn't know me in Shawanu. Dobeshira was Shano Batomo Tomino. Yes. Ochechira Machicho Sania Masani.
Jesus.
Many are Radunya Kopo.
God bless you.
And nobody can do no nonsense. To me, you're running there. And to say a radishra. A radishra will be a catch them. So when you say, NPP are buying court. I'm an NDC.
Yes.
Obia Tim now. Home Bonnie Tim now. Never be a soon Tim and near Radajumo. And that is the end and final. Ampa Abamsa. Yamupami. Young Kanye. Yet the Abano. I'm a year at John Dramani as a president. Who can tell you about me? I have to say. The Nidia Wanya and the Frabber and Wanya. The Nidia son. The Monia Nagan said 2024 by a opportunity. Obenya. The Nidia Wanya. The Nidia son. The nations and the global because 2023 and 2024 by a trouble. Omen the government in power. Nobody obedient mania worry. Odi for men at your radene. When a teddy radeka. Monsieur Radia shut up on my basso and him. Some of mammy to me, Miss Apple Juma. Jesus. Premo Ghana has so bit my son and tell Radio Yedia than 1 year mammy. Nobody. To me. A radidia. A radish Ghana. Obi Arabo yesterday. Amen. When I'm in for Arabo CMI. When there's so Opambour Prophet. A true Ghana see a better are you who? Why they na push us after I could not to me. Why? Na unya miss. Unya miss. When I stop a horror movie, our Ghana. When I shampoo, when I ready for the Makasa. When I unya me power Ghana. When I me friend my head, Akasa. Why no one you said that too soon? When you one or too soon?
The nation prophet.
Yes.
Yeah, Papa Opambour.
Me so have a fun.
Yes.
Thank you for watching. Kindly consider subscribing to my channel, hit the like button, share, drop a comment, and hit the notification bell so you could be notified anytime we post a new video. Also consider following me on other social media platforms with the same handle, BluntGhana. We hope you will do that. Thank you.